Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at the Gold Blatt hole saw kit. This is an 8-piece kit that comes in its own little plastic holder, which is really great because one of my biggest problems with hole saw kits is I lose the pieces. This helps keep it organized. So I can throw it in my toolbox, I can slide it under the seat of my truck, anywhere I need to carry it. It keeps them organized and they're easy to grab. So this comes with a 1/4, a 5/16, a 3/8, 3/4, 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1 3/8, and a 2-inch bit all in this same kit. And this is using special diamond technology. It's called vacuum brazed. That vacuum brazed technology makes these extremely durable. It makes them not only cut quickly, but they're going to last a long time for you. So a few of the things this will work on will be porcelain tile, ceramic, marble, granite countertops, even quartz and glass. It works on pretty much everything. It's a great all-around hole saw. So let's go ahead and open it and take a quick look at them. You open it, pull it out. I will tell you they are really nice looking bits. They're going to be a reddish type color. They have about 1 inch of the diamond plating from the outside and the inside. They also have little cut grooves on the sides here. You've got 4 of them. That kind of allows for venting and air circulation, and they are vented on the sides in 2 big spots. That also allows air and everything to get in, and also any debris that builds up to be able to get out. And it even allows you a spot to use a screwdriver or something and pry the piece that you've cut out of the bit before you put it up. So really nice. But the one drawback that I do see is I do not have a pilot bit. So I'm going to show you a couple of quick ways of how you actually will start a bit like this without having a pilot. So I'm going to take my Milwaukee and I'm going to put the bit in, just like this, lock it into place. And let's say take a piece of tile. So you're going to take a tile like this and say I've got a circle in here and I'm cutting out for a shower head or something like that. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take the actual drill and the bit and I'm going to hold it sideways on the edge of that. Start it, and then I'm going to speed it up faster and faster and rotate it into place, and then it'll actually lock in once you get your first little grooves cut and you're able to complete your drill. So a second method that I like to use is I'll take a piece of 3/4 inch plywood and I will cut the hole out in the plywood and place that on the tile where I want that hole drilled out. Now I can clamp that into place. A lot of times if I've got enough plywood, I'll just go ahead and make it the exact same size. It makes it much easier to hold it in the spot. But you can take a couple of clamps and kind of clamp it down so it doesn't move. And then you can take your drill and you'll put the bit directly in the hole and start drilling that way. And now you do not have to worry about the walking of that bit. It is going to be only in that location and you will have a perfect drilled out hole every time. So honestly, I think it is a great little hole drill set. I think it comes in a nice package. I think it'd be a great item to add to your tool arsenal. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.